Hello friends, very good morning. Welcome back to Momentum Stocks. Let's play our opening music. Okay, so yesterday, currently situation is about 55 points, 57 points up in Nifty here, and about 230 points up in Banknifty is what we can see right now. Opening is very positive. Will the opening continue to be positive and will it continue to go up is a big question. Talking about first today's stocks we'll talk about. We are looking for strength in Sipla. In the comments, please tell me the reasons looking at this particular chart. We are looking at weakness in Infi. Okay, give me the reasons as to why. And we are looking for weakness even in Wipro, but Wipro is not giving a proper entry right now. Okay, so give me the reason. Our strong stock for the day is Sipla and weak stock for the day is Infi. Those who are interested, want to learn, can give me the reason for weakness in Wipro also. Coming to yesterday ICICI was a strong stock. See, this was the 38.2 levels. You have seen me drawing the Fibonacci in yesterday's live video also, from the recent bottom till the top, which was here. Okay, 38.2 entry till the top, target achieved. Someone who entered here also got profit at the target, but then later it again came back to the same level, that is 38.2 level. Coming to weak stocks, strong stock, that was Asian Paint. We had a nice pole and a flag kind of a pattern like this. You can go ahead and see yesterday's video, you'll see this pattern clearly. Okay, and from here there was a retracement and straight to the target. And weakness was seen in Eicher Motors. In first two candles itself it met the target, later it was sideways. So basically 2 out of 3 met the target, and we also gave a long on Bank Nifty. It was somewhere, 1 minute, I'll show you. This is where we gave a long. Okay, and this was the kind of momentum that it gave. We captured most of this momentum, trailed the stop loss till here, and then here is what an exit was triggered. I also told you that once this area is crossed, okay, there will be a sharp fall, and that's what happened. The sharp fall started from here itself, it crossed this area and continued to go down. Again, some kind of momentum and sideways. What do we see now? We are waiting for this big trend line again, friends. Nothing big has happened until this trend line is broken. Okay, this is also one of the trend line which will trigger a breakout and a upward momentum. About 1 minute left for market to start, less than a minute actually. At start itself, we will create buy on Sipla and sell on Infi. So I am just mentioning Sipla here, and bearish I am mentioning Infi. So this two things will appear on the chart or on the blue screen here shortly on the left side. The Sipla long, Infi short. That is done. So that is the story as of now. Let's wait and see how things work now. Good positivity in Bank Nifty. Nifty is comparatively not so strong. You can see that in this green candle and red candle here. Cipla standing strong. We will book profits at this range, friends, this area. It actually touched it and came back. In fee, this will not be the target. The target would be below this in this particular wick. Stop loss can be here. This would be a stop loss. Even if you are considering this first target, that will also make you 1:1. Okay, we will be around 1:1.5. Cipla, this top is your target. It is already done within first 5 minutes. Okay, Nifty is attempting to go up. Bank Nifty was attempting to go up. Nifty has to break this top. That is when it will continue to go up. Well, I think it is almost broken, but no, it did not sustain there. Easy 1:2 target is there in Bank Nifty. Nice momentum here. This is also a double bottom and a breakout situation. At trend line breakout, that too. See friends, I have told you that we can create a buy here, but it was not 9:30, so this position was not created. Look at this. Those here some 80 to 90 point stop loss here. Okay. Against that, we'll keep a target of from here at least this top, which is 110, and little above that. This is 160 double. Next resistance zone lies here. This resistance zone, there will not be much of impact. Nifty is ready for this breakout. The breakout is already done in Nifty. Okay, a small retest, we can trigger our entry. Now when this line is being crossed, the stop 19716 is what we'll buy. This trend line should act like a nice support. So any buy entry can be done, and even in this area, friends, here. Okay, 45,600 or 590 area. This is where we can enter buy side. Why? Because people will look at this trend line and short, and after catching those people is what it will continue its upward journey. This was the same logic that we used yesterday to make profit here, this area. Somewhere here is what we bought, and this was the kind of momentum that it gave. The Nifty is in a plan to go fill the gap and then go upwards. That's the reason I wanted you to wait for this line to break for the second time. Bank Nifty gap filling is done. Nifty it is not yet done. So as discussed friends, we are going long here. Okay, this will not be your target. This will not be your target. Your target will be the next resistance zone, which is here. Okay, this area will be your stop loss. That's making it 1:2.55 is to reward ratio. Okay, that's how we are waiting for. Let's wait and see. It is 9:40 that we created the position. We will see that updated here in. Okay, it's some space. Now I hope it comes clear. Okay. Our important breakout will be this one. So this will be our important breakout. We are not considering this candle as a stick. The reason is it's 9:15. See, as soon as I refreshed, it became a wick. This breakout is an easy breakout. This is your important breakout. We'll mark it blue in color. Little bold also. Finally, this level is what it has broken. Let this candle close above 19,700. We can create a buy here also. Yeah, we can create a buy here also. Someone interested can go for a buy. This is your long position on this candle. Again, this area will be your target. This is not your target. This area can be a target, or this area, one of the two. Let's be in between somewhere. Yeah. Stop loss will not be this double bottom. It will be here. Bank Nifty back to pavilion. Bank Nifty has given more green candles than red after our entry. And Nifty on the other side has given, there are green candles but they are below our entry. Wonder why. This breakout retest situation is going on, I guess. Anyways, that's fine, we'll wait. Still, the trapping area is still active, friends. See, this trend line breakdown, most of them have seen already. And what they are doing is they are creating sell as soon as it's coming near to this trend line. This is what sellers are doing. Okay, buyers will become active only after cross of this trend line. Okay, let's mark this also blue. Once this trend line is crossed is when, sorry, not this one, this trend line. Once this trend line is crossed and there is a candle staying above it, that's when your sellers will become active. Sorry, buyers will become active. So that is the reason it is becoming sideways. The other side, Nifty has almost touched the stop loss. This is what happens usually when we don't enter after the breakout. Okay, now important trend lines for Nifty are like this. Most ideal trend line for entry would be this one, friends. It has touched the stop loss but has not closed below that. Nifty stop loss hit. Back to pavilion, but not able to sustain above that. Nifty has hit the stop loss and come back up, friends. So here is what it will face its resistance again, ideally. but we will plan to enter at 38.2 now for a short side here. Problem with Nifty is the next level. Okay, this is not a level, this is not a level. Now the next level that we have is straight here. So if it falls from this 38.2, it will not stop here, it will go stop here only. Okay, so that is the reason it has become risky now. Let's do some 5 minutes analysis here, 10 minutes chart analysis. Yeah, this is a kind of a double bottom. Now this is a triple bottom. Perfect. Till the top, which is here. Oh, okay. This is a 50% level. 50% level is touched once. So it can take support from here only, where it is right now. Here 50% level is quite down. Here there is also a support level like this. High chance that Bank Nifty will continue the fall, friends. So Nifty will also continue with that. We'll wait for a proper setup. Until that we don't have a entry here. Yeah, this entry will wait, but otherwise we have to have a proper setup for a neat and clean entry. See, this is the entry that we are talking about in the blue section here. Here. This blue line breakout and retest is done. Nifty is facing its resistance here, see friends. Support, 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 breakdown, and now this can be a resistance. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles that stopped at this line. See, resistance acted properly. Down candle is formed. Red candle is formed. Now this one is at breakout and retest with a double bottom kind of a situation, but no Fibo support here nearby. Infi is making this angle, friends, perfect angle for a fall. Yeah, this is a fall angle, and these last 5, 6 or 10 candles that we see, they have a angle like this. See, look at this carefully. And here if I draw this trend line, it will be like this. See, we don't see it on 5 minutes very clearly, but if you move to 1 minute, you will be able to see the angle. See, this is the angle that it is making. And there is a breakdown, then it will quickly go till this bottom first, and then continue downwards. Bank Nifty has given another trend line like this. There is a fresh trend line in Bank Nifty. Ready for a breakout. If this candle stays above this, then that's a breakout successful. See friends, on top left, there is a time running. Right now it is 10:06:42 by my time. If your watch is not showing the same time, you have to watch this video in 2x speed so that you will also match the time. That way you'll not lose on late entries and all will not happen. Supply in good recovery shape. Infi back to pavilion. Nifty, I told you 38.2 levels is important. That's where it has come down. In my opinion, it will give you this breakout and then catch them and then come down. Here at this breakout, there will be entry of fresh buyers. That's what it wants. Okay. The Bank Nifty has given a proper doji and upward momentum. Now there has to be a candle closure, okay, above the top of the doji, which did not happen till now in last three candles. Okay, so if this candle closes above 46,000, then there can be a buy triggered. Nifty on the other side, look, if you look at it, it is giving continuously green candles, but the previous red is still not engulfed. That will happen only when this trend line is broken. Bank Nifty in good shape, friends. Breakout successful and upward momentum. Here, what would be the safe thing to do? It will be safe to move the stop loss here. Once it goes above this level here, talking about 46,050 levels almost, we'll move the stop loss here or at the cost. That way, your risk will be zero. This is a problem, friends. So those who want to book profits can book some profits here. of Nifty. Okay, today's expiry. Let's pull up. This is the chart for Nifty. Sell can definitely be triggered with good quantities below this line. Okay. Buy above this line. Short term, 50% looks like can be a rejection. Nifty, it's facing rejection trends. Nifty also faced rejection at 50%. Bank Nifty also faced its rejection here. Cipla back to pavilion, even Infi back to pavilion. Rejection and downward momentum. 38.2, I told you to short, remember? Nice fall. No momentum since morning, friends. More or less a sideways market. See, from here, it's almost sideways. Same thing here, all sideways. Finally, Cipla has come back to profit. Infidels who could not enter here in the morning can enter now. There is a good possibility of this trend line to break, and once this trend line is broken, the next support lies here. And if this is also broken, then it goes straight here, okay, within this particular area. Nice rejection faced and downward momentum done. %50 straight fall in Fin Nifty, friends. This fall was about 30 points. Premium should have increased by 15 points at least. 18-19 points actually. Do we sell here? The answer is no. $38.2, little above that rejection and fall. It made it till the low, friends. The day low is what it made after 50% rejection. This is 32 points almost. Premium should have increased by 20 points, 22 points. Nifty has vanished. So it is 10:21 and I doubt if there will be a position created immediately. I'll tell you what are all the things that we see here. Here we see this is Nifty in 1 minute. We see a left shoulder ahead and a possibility of right shoulder. You see this is an important trend line or neckline, whatever you call it. Okay, provided this starts coming up from here only. Bank Nifty, we see a bottom, double bottom. This is what your entry would be. Okay, it took its rejection exactly from 38.2 went till here. If it crosses this bottom and goes further down, then this entry will not trigger at all. In Nifty, this is an important trend line for a short. Okay, so now with this particular trend, if fall comes, we can enter here for this trend line to break. If this trend line breaks, then there would be a very good fall, at least till here. Okay, Cipla you already know, Infi also you already know. That's what we see. Buy side, this is what we see buy side in Nifty. Bank Nifty also we see in buy side only. Bank Nifty, if this area is broken a little below that, then there will be a good fall that will initiate your positions for this area 864 area. Okay, I hope you liked the video, the explanation, everything, and this blue colored bar explaining you things what that we did in today's session. See, Bank Nifty target was hit, but it was not, there was no closure below this. That is the reason we waited till here. Here I already gave you at least exit 50% with this 38.2 levels. And rest, if it comes here also, you will be at zero profit, zero loss. Nifty, one position triggered and stop loss also triggered. After that it came till the zero, but did not perform after that. I think that's everything that I had to tell. Okay, one more thing that had to be pointed out. Now listen to this area carefully, friends. So this is the top. Okay, this area is important for you to know. That is the reason I am waiting and telling. This is the top. This is the bottom. It retraced till little less than 38.2 and started falling again. Okay, now this is the next bottom. Again, little below the 38.2 is what it retraced and started falling again. Yeah, next bottom that it made is here. Again, little below the 38.2 is what it makes a top and continues the fall. Now if I extend it till here, again little below the 38.2 is what it made a top and continued to fall. Now if I am drawing it till here, this should be a target for a buy side. That is 19,784 area. That should be a target. Don't expect it to break all the trend lines and go straight till the top. Okay, your target can be something close to this area. Okay, if in case it starts making higher highs from here, then the story is completely different. And why can it do that? The reason is simple. See, here there is a triple bottom 1 2 3, and if I am drawing a Fibo like this from the complete bottom to the complete top, and we have touched the 50%. That's the reason I'm telling from here it can continue making the higher highs and higher lows. Hello. Okay, we'll close here with our closing music. If you did enjoy the stream, hit that like button quickly. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day ahead.